Okay, good morning, student. Uh, Very soon we will meet in the school, but date is not declared. In January, surely we will meet. Last assignment, last chapter of geometry, that is trigonometry. Uh, First few minutes, I will introduce the basic again as a revision because that points are very important for this lesson. That much part, the concept should be very much clear, including formula. Basically, trigonometrical ratios are six, but out of that six, only two ratios are basic. Rest of four are dependent. So, and trigo always related with right angle triangle. That you have to keep it in mind that in any triangle you can't apply trigonometry. Trigo means right angle triangle. That's it. So, in two way, related to this theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. And on graph, the point is here, join with the origin, draw perpendicular. So this much height is y, this much height is x, this much distance is r. In coordinate geometry also we have learned that distance of any point pxy from the origin O00. So that is always r square, x square, y square, or only r is equal to under root x square. This is very important point that they will ask the distance. So you can write x square plus y square total in square root. Or they can ask the formula, write the formula to find the distance of a point from the origin. This is very important point. So we will use that also, and at that time our theta will be this. So opposite is y, adjacent is x, and this hypotenuse will be r. R means the distance of that point from the origin. So first basic two ratios, sine theta, cos theta, then tan theta, then sine inverse, cosec theta, cos inverse,
रीडिंग भी नहीं आ रही।
theta, tan theta, cot theta. Switch off your mic. Sine, as per this, sine, opposite hypotenuse, adjacent hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent. Now inverse of this, now inverse of this, now inverse of this. Correct. And graphically also, you can say on a graph the point is x and y. At that time, sine is equal to y by r, cos is equal to x by r, then y by r, y by x, then inverse of this r by y, r by x, x by y. When the point is in the graph, you can write the trigonometrical ratio as per x, y, and r. So this formula, then how tan and cot you can form. So tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. And these are the basic. From that I can find tan. These are the basic. From that I can find cot. Now cosec and sine are inverse of each other. Sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Sine is equal to 1 by cosec. sec into cos is equal to 1. Same, these both are inverse of each other. Cot theta into tan theta. So how you can find out tan, how you can find out cot, how you can find out cosec 1 by sin, how you can find out sec, it is 1 by cos. So basically this rest of 4 are made up of sin and cos. Sin inverse is equal to cosec, SC pair. Cos inverse is equal to sec, again SC pair. And 3 identity, that is very important. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, these are the ratio as per the position of theta. This is 90. If you will take this theta, then this is opposite, this is adjacent, hypotenuse will remain same on that. And with x-axis you make the theta, you can find the formula as per x, y and r. Then tan cot, the product one, tan cot, and 3 are the identities. These 3 identities very important, because in proof we will utilize this. Now as per the reduced syllabus, no word problems are there. So 3 questions they will ask. 1 question from one ratio you have to find out another ratio, and 2 equational type, that left hand side and right hand side you have to make it equal. So here only this exercise number 6.1 and problem set half till 1 to 5, and in 5 there are 10 sums. Okay, always you have to compare given ratio with this. You can take the photograph of this. These are the basic. If you know this, you can very easy able to solve the trigonometrical this sums. Okay, so question number 1, it is given that sine theta is equal to 7 by 25. Any one ratio is given out of this 6. Out of this 6, if any one ratio is given, means 2 sides are given. Third, you have to find by Pythagoras. And in Pythagoras also I have given a very nice idea that the minimum triplet, round figure triplet is 3, 4, 5. Step number 1, 3, 4, 5. Step number 1. Step number 2, write odd number. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, and write the answer. 3, 4, 5, 12. 12, 5, 7, 24. 24 this 40. 40 plus 9 plus 11, 60. 84. Fourth, this is A number, B number, C number. B plus 1 is equal to C. 4, 5, 12, 13, 24, 25, 40, 41, 60, 61, 84, 85. These are the triplet. So 7 and 5, 725 is given. So your answer must be 24. What is the purpose of knowing this triplet? Because you will get the idea of third number. So sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This is theta, this is opposite. 7x you can say 25 because it is a ratio. So this is a question. Opposite given, hypotenuse given. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB square, BC square, AC square, AB square, BC square, correct? So BC square is equal to again intelligent question calculation. When a square minus b square is given, a plus b, one time plus, so the one time plus will be what? 32x. One time difference, so that is 18x. So this is x square. Now bigger number you have to make it half, smaller number you have to make it double. So this is 16, this is 36, this is BD square. So BD is equal to square root of x is x square is x, 14 is 4, 16 is 4, 36 is 6. So we got this 24x. So now from sine find out cos. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 24, 25. 24, 25. Cos, then tangent. Tan theta is equal to opposite adjacent. Opposite 7x, adjacent 24x. So it is 7 by 24. And if you got sine, cos and tangent, inverse of sine, that is 25 by 7, it is cosec. Cos inverse, reversible of this cos, that is sec. Sec is 25 by 24. Tan inverse, cot, 24 by 7. In my last message in all division ABCD, I have sent the message that you are not attending the live lecture, you are not attending my notes on Google Class, and even you are not opening my video. That student will get in trouble because for internal marks, 20 marks are with me. So if they will not cooperate, I will also not cooperate. Because for them only I'm doing and sending 3, 4 times on WhatsApp number. I am sending on YouTube. I am sending on Google Class. I am sending live lecture also. I am taking. So from my side, I am trying my best. But if there is no response, that student will suffer. 100% they'll suffer. Okay. Now very good example. Phi sec theta. Here is the same from one ratio, rest of all ratio we can find, but convert that into one ratio. Okay, first this side, 12 this left to right. Now sec theta, this comes down 12 as it is, 5 comes down, Now sec means what? 1 by cos. 1 by cosec means what? Sine. Okay, but sine by cos is what? Tan theta. And in that 333 triplet we have seen 5, 12, 13. So you will get 13 answer. If you know the triplet, so third number you can assume, and as per that you can calculate. So if you will get wrong answer, you can find out that it is wrong. Ha. Tangent is equal to opposite adjacent. Opposite adjacent. Opposite 12x. This is 5x. This is question. That is A, B, C. In right angle triangle ABC, x you have to substitute. Okay. AB square, BC square, AC square. Pi x square, AC square. 12, 12. 1, 4, 4. 5 square, 25 x square. So it is 169 x square. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169 x square. Taking square root on both the side. Correct. Now this is 13x. 10 we have. So sine theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Sorry, opposite hypotenuse. So opposite 12x, 13x. So 12 by 13. Cos theta, adjacent hypotenuse. 5x, 13x. Tan theta you have. Now inverse. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So directly you can write 13 by 12. No need to write the ratio form. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 13 by 5. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or you can say sin by cos by sin. So tan inverse it is 5 by 12, like that. Correct? Now fifth one, very good example it is given. Tan theta is equal to 1. We have to prove sin theta plus cos theta sec theta cosec theta. Tan theta, when you will get tan theta is equal to 1, tan 45 is equal to 1. So comparing both the equation, theta is equal to 45. Substitute theta is equal to 45. So sin 45 plus cos 45 divided by sec 45 cosec 45. Value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Value of cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Value of sec 45 is only root 2. Value of cosec 45 is only root 2. So this is 2 times, this is also 2 times. So 2 times 1 by root 2. 2 times only root 2. This you can write as 1. So 2 by root 2 invert 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 cancel. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 means 2. Final answer. This sine theta plus cos theta sec theta. Final answer is half. So in a very simple way, this minus left to right, it becomes plus. Now ratio of only trigonometrical ratio and ratio of only number. Then this again I have converted into the single ratio. Indirectly they have given a single ratio. Out of that 6 ratio, if one ratio is given, means two side of a right angle triangle is given. By Pythagoras, find third side. In that, don't use identities, because by identities you will get only one answer. But if you will do by the Pythagoras theorem, third side you will get. Third side you will get. So any side you can, any ratio you can find out from the formula: opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Now next, from the sixth problem, first and second, very important. Sine square by cos 6 first, this we have to prove. From left also you can prove right, from right also you can prove left. In trigo you can do on both the way. So left hand side is equal to sine square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta by 1, taking cross product. So sine square theta plus cos square theta. Why? Cos into cos divided by cos theta. Now you have to write, substituting sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1. So 1 by cos theta. And 1 by cos theta, cos into sec is equal to 1. So 1 by cos sec, cos is equal to sec. So this answer is sec. What you will write? 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. This is the reasoning, that what we have replaced. And is equal to right hand side. Then we have to write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then you have to write full equation, what you have proved. That is sine square theta cos theta plus cos theta sec theta. Very systematically. This is given, so you write full equation. Then just take a part only left hand side. You have taken this. Now cross product 1 into sin is sin square theta, cos into cos, cos square theta. Divide by cos into 1, cos. But sin square by cos square, that you have to write the reason where you have written 1 from which formula. So sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 by cos, and 1 by cos also it is sec. So that also reason you have to write. So two reason I have written and two changes I have made. So that is exactly right hand side. So left is equal to right. Then write exactly what. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. Stop here. At the end, this you have to prove. No, that is why. Now cos square is equal cos square. This we have to prove. So left hand side cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So cos square theta sec square theta. Here you can write substituting. Now cos theta sec theta square x square y square. So xy over square. But we know that cos into sec is equal to 1. So 1 square is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore cos square 1 plus follow. Again, this much I have taken left hand side. I know the identity, second identity. First identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Second identity 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. Third identity 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. So second I am using that is equal to sec square. So I am writing sec square. Sec square cos square. So overall square because both are the square. Sec into cos we know it is 1. So 1 square. That is 1. So left side is equal to right side. That third one mark very important because from this exercise, this question they have asked maximum number of time. And I would like to say a lot of thanks to this new 4G from Angel Nest, that the group of 4 girls that was from last year also 4G from Angel Nest. This year also from 9 to 10 4G 4 girls came. So they are handling this online live lecture by sending the link, by handling this speaker and mic and all that. So thank you from all the student of 10th ABC. 10 theta means sine by cos. Sec theta means 1 by cos. Means in numerator we want sine, denominator we want cos. So suppose here we want cos. So we have to take the conjugate pair or the opposite pair of denominator. Again. This is 10 means sine by cos. So sine we want. Here 1 by cos. So denominator cos, but here it is sine. So opposite of that pair we will take, so we will get the sine. So left hand side, multiply and divide by conjugate pair, means 1 minus sine theta. Write first original. Multiply and divide by 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So this is square, bracket, bracket, same bracket, so square. This is 1 plus 1 minus, so 1 minus sine square theta. We know that sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Then 1 minus sine square is equal to cos. How? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. So 1 minus sine theta square cos theta square of square root or square root of square. Listen to my word very carefully. Square of square root or square root of square will be the same answer without any power. So I will write 1 minus sine cos theta. Wait, I am explaining. 3 square and square root, that is only 3. Square root of 3 of square, that is also 3. Square of square root or square root of square, whatever the number, base number, that is the same answer without power. Square of square root or square root of square of that base, so the base will be only the answer, but these two powers should be the equal. Cube root cube, square root square. Are you getting what the word I am telling? Now 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Now individual division. 1 by cos theta sine theta. Simplify. 1 by cos is equal to sec theta. Sin by cos is equal to tan theta. By substituting what? 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, and sin by cos theta tan theta. Follow? How much minute remain, bachcha?
Sir, 3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay, only bhasan. You don't like my bhasan, but I like to give bhasan every day. Very short time period remain, and there are lots of confusion on opening of date and syllabus and all. But you don't worry, you trust on me. Whatever the concrete confirm message, that only I will send to you regarding opening of the school, regarding uh, portion, because half of the union they are demanding close the school and take the exam of 75%. Half of the union are demanding open the school and make the syllabus 50% and take the exam of that 50%, and that 50% we will take uh, the lectures or the study in the classroom. So within 2 days everything will be confirmed that I will give. and there is no change in that timetable which I have sent to you. So yesterday also in Marathi news they declared that 10th and 12th exam will be in April. No, but already they have declared the declarance at the timetable on May. So that all type of small confusion, you don't worry, you just concentrate on your study. To take the decision is not a big thing. After taking the decision to make it correct, it is a very big thing. So that you have to keep in mind. Try your best. This is the life's one-time opportunity that how much percent you will get according to your dream college. You can enter in your dream stream. You can enter. There will be no obstacle. Very easily you can achieve to your goal, to your manzil. तो ट्रॉफी ताली और तारीफ, ट्रॉफी तारी और तारीफ मिले या ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है. So try on your best, hard work, and full year student have just read or face the mobile. So now how much time is remain? No, do lots of writing every day. Do lots of writing. At least 3 to 4 hours you write. Otherwise, when you will write the language paper continuously 3 hours, no, you will tired, and your tiredness will show in the last 10, 15 marks in last 30 minutes because you don't have habit to write. In a regular school, what happen? In classes, tuitions also you are writing, in schools also you are writing, for your homework also you are writing, because every day teachers check that. Here teachers are not able to check. uh, Classes, tuitions are also online, schools are also online. So writing part, okay, some students sincerely they are doing. My robotic team also are doing. I must have not to forget their seva to me, because they have also done very hard work. So there is no comparison. There is no negative point regarding my robotic team. But these are only 20 to 25% students who are listening to me, getting my word. But see, here also around 22 students are there. So, and we have more than 200 students. So that David,
Yes, sir.